In this video, I'm going to be talking about a launchpad that is actually taking place in Bitget. Bitget is actually a crypto exchanger. So if you're looking to take advantage of getting tokens on pre-sale, this video is definitely for you. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this video is going to be all about Bitget, and especially the token that it's on pre-sale, which is Haloworld, or Halo to keep it short. If you don't have a Bitget account, consider using the link in the description so you can create your own account. Okay, so this is the one that I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking a little bit about the project, how you can get the tokens, and I'm going to give you all the resources so you can do your own due diligence as well. So first of all, you're going to be using the link below. You're going to be creating your account, and then you're going to click here where it says view more. Okay, here you're going to have all the information about Halo, which is the token. They are doing this in the collaboration with a 3D community. This is not the first time they are doing this. Let me show you. Bitget has already done this in the past. These are some of the projects that they were working before. Okay, so this is actually the 4th or 5th project, if I'm not wrong, and they're actually involved with a decentralized 3D artist community, and they're about to release their token that is called Halo. Okay, they have the total allocation is 2.5 million, and they're gonna be giving 10,000 tickets. More about the tickets in a moment, but keep this in mind: each ticket, it's gonna give you 250 Halo tokens, and at the time recording this video, one Halo, it's 0.02 USDT. Okay, so right now we are on phase 1. We're on the register. You have time to register. Okay, after this day, you are not gonna have time to register. Okay, so let me give you more information and also where you can get the resources. Okay, here you're going to have the website, which is going to be the website for the project, and you're going to view the details. When I check on the website, I'm actually really impressed. Okay, this is the actual website, and first of all, I do see that one of their partners is also KuCoin. So I was like, wow, okay, these guys are having good partners. The website looks astonished, and then I check on the gallery, because the idea is that you guys need to have a 3D version of yourself on the metaverse. Okay, not the classic 2D or cartoonish style. So these are some example, and was like, wow, they actually looks like really cool, right? So I check on it. I also check on the staking. I check on the, their idea about the metaverse, the about section. So my suggestion, guys, is go ahead and check also on their roadmap and everything, so you can have a clear idea about the project and how they are thinking, or the uses that they are thinking for the token. Okay, so the second resource is this one, the view details. This is actually a Bitget page in which they're giving you all the details about the launchpad. Okay, again, this is not the first launchpad they are doing. They have already done some in the past. Okay, but this time they are doing this with the collaboration of the 3D artist community, and they're going to be releasing the Halo token. You're also going to be able to see that they have a link here for the website, for the Twitter account, and for the Discord community. Okay, so you would like to check on those as well. So they give you some information about the ecosystem, when the tokens are going to be released, how they're going to be released. Now that they're in this launch phase, like what's the name of the project. I already told you it's going to be Haloworld, and keep it short, Halo. This same information, it's the one that it's the same that the one that I show you here. It's actually the same information. Okay, so this is actually the same information. If you scroll down, all the way down, they do have also the project introduction. Okay, this is actually the same that is on the other page, but if you want to have everything full detail, always check this, because you're gonna see how it's gonna be the timeline. By the time releasing this video, we're still in the registration phase, so you still have time to register if you want to take advantage of this. First of all, you will need to complete your KYC verification, and then you need to hit here where it says registration. Okay, here is it. Okay, you need to click here on registration. You're gonna see this is the countdown, because after that we are not gonna be able to register. Okay, so they're gonna put in all the guidelines, like when the Snapchat is gonna be, when the tickets are gonna be released. But here also it's how you can participate. Okay, the registration period, it's between February the 28th to March the 2nd, so you still have a couple of dates. Remember that you need to complete the KYC, and then you need to click register that I already showed you. So here is how actually you're gonna have the opportunity to get a ticket. Remember, one ticket is 250 Halo. Then how do you know this? Because I read it here. They also have it on this document. So in order to participate and enter the lottery, you need to hold and gain. You can only hold it if you want USDT on the spot or on the future wallet. Okay, if you have 50 USDT and less than 301, you're gonna have one ticket. Okay, and so on until you can have 15 tickets. 15 tickets is the most that you can actually get. So my suggestion is, if you decide like you are gonna be part of this and you want like to take advantage of this opportunity, check on this. Okay, check on this, how many USDT you want. It's USDT, guys, it's not Bitcoin and all the stuff. Okay, USDT. And how many tickets would you like to get? Here are other things and the disclaimers and terms and conditions. Okay, basically the terms and conditions are like people from South Korea and mainland China cannot be part of this. I'm pretty sure that you have their own regulation and all this stuff. But again, guys, if you want to take advantage of this, use the link below so you can join Bitget. Please make sure that you're going to be reading this information so you can know like more about the project, more about or all the details that I already shared, so you can take a look and you can decide like if this is an opportunity for you or no. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.